Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very important examination, that is CUCET, Central University Common Entrance Test. Actually, this is a test conducted for getting admission in the different courses available at the Central University. Approx 50 or 50 plus universities, that is central universities, are there present in our country, and admission in those universities are taken from this examination, that is CUCET. Actually, it has been conducted since 2009 and still it is being continued, but from this year it may be taken by NTA, National Testing Agency. You know, this is the exam conducting body which also takes the examination of JEE Mains, NEET and a lot of other examination, NET also. So this year, actually in this 2021, NTA will take this examination on the computer based mode. Actually initially it was paper pen based, but from this year it will be taken on the computer based, and the syllabus is general, that is after class 12th you can appear at this examination, and the syllabus is at least this time not revealed, but more or less like general things like aptitude, quant, mathematical reasoning, this type of things, English, because a lot of courses are available, and this takes for the variety and wide range of courses like BA, BSc, BCom, along with other professional courses as well, other technical courses as well, and there are a lot of courses available. And the institutes, or not the institutes, actually you can say the universities taking or accepting this scorecard is like, you know, University of Delhi, JNU, BHU, AIMU, Aligarh Muslim University, that is Jamia Millia Islamia, Chandigarh University. These are the top universities which accepts their grade card, you can say, and you can take admission in variety of the courses. Actually this examination is of national importance and it will be conducted by NTA from this year, and this will be consisting of 100 marks and 100 questions, each of plus 1 marks and 1/4 of the negative marks. It is expected because this year due to pandemic everything is delayed, and the pattern of this examination may also vary because this time NTA is taking, and along with it a lot of other universities will also be participating in this examination, actually to accept the scorecard of this examination. So this was a small video in which I wanted to acknowledge you with this examination, CUCET. If you want to know more, then surf it on the internet and also visit their official website to know more about this examination. So hope so you like the video, and if you really like, then share to your friends and family, and if you are new, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.